Hi everyone. So today I'm going to review a Iba Halal product. So I have heard a lot of good things about Iba Halal and I've tried their lipsticks and I was very excited to try more stuff. So I ordered a few and from that I'm going to review one of the product which I'm seriously liking it so much, and Iba Halal Fairness Instant Facial 3-in-1 wash, scrub and mask. So this is the product. So guys, it comes in a tube like this, and here it's written Iba Halal Care Fairness Instant Facial, and it's a natural white complex plus rose, and it leaves skin visibly fair, clean and soft. And this is for 100 grams, and for 100 grams you pay 115 rupees. So it comes in a tube like this, a very nice and a sturdy tube, and it opens up somewhat like this in like a paste kind of consistency. It just looks like a Multani Mitti face paste. Application is very smooth and easy. All the ingredients are mentioned over here at the back, and the manufacturing and expiring date is also mentioned over here, which I'll go one by one. And here it's written that 3-in-1 wash, scrub and pack. So it is like this. It says that it's a nature white complex plus rose with rose petals, Multani Mitti and walnut scrub. It leaves skin visibly fair, clean and soft, which it actually does. And at the back of it, it's written that a revolutionary formulation consisting of licorice extract, which is mulethi, vitamin E, vitamin B3 and vitamin B5 with added rose for lasting freshness. Now when you apply this pack, you need to apply it comes in a paste form, and you need to apply it onto your face, which I'll insert a demo and you can see how to apply it.
First step is to damp your face with water. Then start applying this onto your face with the help of your fingers. Apply it just like a face mask. Apply it onto all over your face. You will see small particles inside this. These are rose petals, dried rose petals. And once you are done with applying, take a water little bit onto your hand and then start scrubbing it nicely. You can see the motions how I'm doing it. अच्छे से face को scrub करके, rub करके, उसे पूरी तरीके से मसाज करने के बाद उसे रहने दीजिए. And then just leave it like a mask and allow it to dry for 5 minutes or 2 minutes. After drying, just remove it with the help of damp cotton or damp sponge, or just wash off your face with cold water. You can see a lot of difference in my face, like before and after thing. You can check. My face is now looking more fresh and nice and brighter.
As you saw, it is so easy and so quick to apply and use. So it actually does good work. It gives instant fairness to your skin, which won't last for a longer period of time, but it gives a very clear and a soft and a fresh skin, which is really very good. It clears up your skin so nicely and makes it extra clear and clean. You feel your skin very clean and fresh, which I really love, because हम जब धूप में बाहर घूम कर आते हैं, बहुत ज़्यादा हमारा फेस का जो कलर है वो चेंज हो जाता है, हम काफ़ी टैन हो जाते हैं. रात को जब हम आते हैं, यू कैन यूज़ दिस स्क्रब एंड आपको वापस आपका जो कलर है, जो फेस टेक्सचर है, वो वापस आपका नॉर्मल हो जाता है एंड काफ़ी फ्रेश आप फील करते हो, which I seriously love. What it says, it's a 3-in-1 instant facial. In this you will find little bit of particles, like थोड़े से कुछ है इसमें, which are rose petals, and इसमें walnut powder भी है. Walnut is extremely good for scrubbing, and all that goodness is present in this. And apart from that, it is a vegan product, paraben free, cruelty free, pure, like no alcohol, no pork, no animal no animal ingredients in this. so it's like sulfate and paraben free as well, which is a good point. And what else you want in one product? Price wise, it is amazing. It's just for 115, guys. It's a must buy from my side, and I'll give 4.7 to this out of 5 because its fairness does not last for the longer period of time. So that's the only thing. Otherwise, I just love this product so much. I'll be repurchasing this product because of its paraben free, non-alcoholic and cruelty free, no sulfate, no pork, no animal ingredients, and all that stuff, all goodness. So do try this and let me know कैसा लगा आपको. पक्का से इसको ट्राई कीजिए, आपको डेफिनेटली अच्छा लगेगा. और अच्छा नहीं भी लगा तो इसके कोई साइड इफेक्ट्स है नहीं. आप आराम से यू कैन परचेस इट एंड यू कैन ट्राई दिस. एंड आई विल सी इन माय नेक्स्ट वीडियो, गाइज. I hope you liked the mini review of this product, and I'll see you in my next video, guys. Till then, take care. Love you all. Mwah. Bye. Good luck.